Right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all fine. It's Wednesday, the 22nd of February 2023, and I'm here to bring you the Southeast England weather forecast for the next 24 hours. Well, big story this morning. It is raining, and some of the rain is quite heavy. Just looking at the radar, the Isle of Wight, parts of Hampshire, Sussex, Surrey, Greater London, up towards Hertfordshire are all experiencing rain this morning. And this is all in association with the weather front that is marking the change. We've been speaking about it for a few days now, and it's arriving now in the form of a trough ahead of a cold front that will slowly be pushing southeastwards and eastwards throughout the course of the day, taking its rain eastwards with it. So, just having a little look around the cameras at the moment, this is out towards Hounslow. It is wet out there, and it is a fairly miserable picture. So if you are to the southwest of London this morning and through London towards Hertfordshire, as I've mentioned, do take care. There'll be quite a bit of spray on the roads, and no doubt those roads will be greasy after the recent dry spell. Let's have a look at the temperature anomalies. Well, it's still mild across many parts of England and Wales. Up towards Shetland, I'll show you an interesting little temperature out there at the moment. But towards the west, there is cooler anomalies spreading in with northwesterly winds, and that is all because of that cold front that we've already mentioned. So let's have a look at the current minimum temperatures. There are some cooler air starting to appear across Ireland. So Cork Airport, Shannon Airport, around about 2 degrees. But if you go further east, it's still relatively mild, sevens and eights. And interestingly, Sunborough Cape, which is in the tip of Shetland, is top of the hots this morning. So these are the temperatures across southeast England at the moment, typically sixes and sevens. And this is the facts chart towards the end of the day. This will be midnight. So the cold front that we have seen that would be straddling the UK, slowly moving eastwards, will, I would have thought, cleared the southeast coast, certainly Kent coast, soon after midnight. So let's see how the icon wishes to play out today's rainfall. So let's start with the icon. So it's showing quite nicely the rain here at the moment across many parts of southeast England. It will slowly edge further east throughout the course of the day. This is 11 o'clock. It will become more fragmented and more patchy with time. So I don't think there's going to be too much in the way of rain today. Just a lot of cloud and always the risk of some light showery stuff every now and again. Pick it forward towards 3 o'clock this afternoon. There appears to be some brighter weather now starting to appear in parts of Hampshire, out towards Oxfordshire way, and that will slowly sort of transfer eastwards overnight. And the rain that is in the London area at the moment will gradually ease away eastwards. So overnight, it does stay relatively cloudy. I think we'll lose the bulk of the rain, but there's still the risk of a few showers around. So that's the terms in terms of rainfall. We just have a little look at how the Met Office want to play this out. So, yeah, they're going for a relatively cloudy morning with the rain in the places we've already mentioned, and really not too much changes throughout the course of the afternoon. That light rain, patchy rain, slowly spreads further east towards parts of Kent, but equally towards western parts of Hampshire. There should become a clearance, perhaps some late brightness. We'll have a look at the breezes. So once again, the breezes are light today. So coming in from the west or the southwest through daylight hours, they will slowly increase throughout the course of the evening, turning more northwesterly and yeah, just increasing slightly to maybe a force 2 or 3. But yeah, generally it will be light breezes throughout. And your temperatures, they will start to fall. So at the moment, they're relatively chilly inland, but they will pick up to around about 9 or 10 degrees again today, perhaps a little bit higher in some areas. Where you're stuck under the stubborn areas of cloud and rain, temperatures will be struggling at around about 7 or 8 degrees. Run the sequence through, you'll see overnight the clearer air, or certainly the colder air from the west, does start to slowly move eastwards. So I think we wake up tomorrow morning under rather a lot of clouds still, relatively dry by then, but temperatures around about 3 or 4 degrees. And tomorrow, hopefully, after a cloudy morning with patchy light rain around, things should brighten up. But it will be a cooler day tomorrow. So I hope you've all found the forecast useful. I'll be back later on this evening with the 14-day trends. perhaps some developments as we go into early March that we just need to be keeping an eye on. But yeah, in the meantime, all have a lovely day. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.